everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights, and for today's recipe I'm going to share with you how I make my Cajun shrimp pasta. This recipe includes shrimp that is seasoned with my homemade Cajun seasoning, a creamy Cajun sauce, and pasta that absorbs all this good flavor, and you can make this recipe in just 20 minutes. So let's get started. I got here 1.5 pounds of shrimp that is deveined and cleaned. To marinate the shrimp, add in 1.5 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning and ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm using a homemade Cajun blend that doesn't include salt, but most store-bought Cajun seasoning includes salt, so if you're using that, please avoid adding extra salt and reduce the seasoning to 1 tablespoon. I'll be adding my blend for Cajun seasoning with this recipe. Once the shrimp is well coated with the seasoning, set it aside. Now cook the pasta according to the instructions on the package. To cook the shrimp, place a pan over medium heat and add in a little olive oil and about 1 tablespoon of butter, and coat the pan with the oil and butter. Add in the shrimp and make sure to spread the shrimp in the pan. Cook the side for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn the shrimp over. Now cook this side for another 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, the shrimp is cooked. Now transfer it into a plate or a bowl and set it aside. In the same pan, add in olive oil and butter. Add in 2 garlic cloves that is thinly sliced, and saute for about a minute. This will bring a garlic flavor to the oil and butter. Then add in 1 onion that's thinly sliced and saute till the onion becomes lightly caramelized. Add in 2 bell pepper that is also thinly sliced and give it a quick stir. Add in salt to taste, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and the remainder of the Cajun seasoning, which is about 1 tablespoon. Saute for about 3 to 4 minutes. Pour in 1 1/4 cup of chicken stock. Bring this to a low simmer. Then add in ½ teaspoon of flour. Flour will help to thicken the stock for a more creamy texture. Cover this and simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes on a medium to low heat. Alright, after 4 minutes of simmering, add in 1/3 cup of heavy cream and bring to a slight simmer. Once it reaches a slight simmer, add in the cooked pasta. Mix the pasta really well with the Cajun cream sauce. Now toss in the cooked shrimp and give it a quick mix. And the pasta is ready. It's that easy and such a comforting pasta dish. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And to see my other recipes, make sure to click one of these, and to subscribe, click right here. And I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!